Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. This is a request from a subscriber. They asked me if I can show how to replace the shift control solenoid B on the Honda Accord. This is gonna be for a 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord 4-cylinder with automatic transmission. In previous episode, I replaced the lockup solenoid, which is this one on top. I'm gonna put the episode right here so you can go and see that one. They asked me about the shift control solenoid B, which is gonna be down here. You have the shift solenoid control B on top, and on the bottom is the C. So pretty much it's the same for both. I'm gonna show you in a minute. You just need a 10mm socket to remove the bolt, unplug the solenoid, and remove it. So I don't have somebody to help me. I don't have a cameraman, but I'm gonna go in there, remove it, and then once I do that, I'm gonna show you what it is and how to get it out. You just need a 10mm socket with a little extension. Remove the 10mm bolt, unplug it, right here you have the connector. Press on the tab and pull the connector. It's gonna be connected right here. Then this is the solenoid down here. Probably you're not gonna be able to see it very well, but once you remove the 10mm bolt, pull it. If it gets really stuck, get a flathead screwdriver here on the back, press on it and prime and pull it. Just pull it a little bit and you're gonna be able to remove it. It's this guy right here. Once you get a screwdriver, just put it right here and pull it. You're gonna be able to remove it. That's the connector, and the 10mm goes right here. When you check your connection, the connection that is over there, don't put any power into that connector, because if you put power, you're gonna damage your computer. For the solenoid, you can check your power. You can put power into those two connectors, and if you hear a click on it, that means that your solenoid is good. If you don't hear any click on it, replace it, put a new one. To see if your solenoid is working, you can get these alligator clips. You can find them on any auto parts store. The red one, I put it on the right side, and negative, the black one, on the left side. So if you have your connector like that, just put them like this. I put some electrical tape on this one so they don't make contact and damage the solenoid. Red on that side, black on the left, and same thing on the battery. That's the negative, and I'm just gonna make contact on this side. On the positive side, you can hear a click. If you hear a click, it's working. Hopefully you can hear it right there. Okay, so my solenoid, you can hear the click in it. That means that the solenoid is working. Now that I know that my solenoid is working, I'm gonna put it back on. I'm just gonna clean it. Put some rock underneath too, because when you remove it, you're gonna lose some transmission fluid. This one is on perfect condition. I don't need to replace it. Inspect your filter. It has a little filter on in the tip right there. If it's dirty, just clean it with some brake clean. But everything is fine with my solenoid, so I'm gonna put it back on. Same thing to put it on. Just put it in and get your little ball tight. I hope you can see right there, when you put your connector, make sure it clicks in place. You can do the same process for solenoid C, which is on the bottom of the one that we just removed. And just to finish, if you want to check the resistance on the solenoid, don't do it on the connector, do it on the solenoid. Check the resistance with the multimeter, and you're supposed to have between 12 to 25 ohms. If you don't have that resistance, replace it. And as well, with the battery, you can check, see if the solenoid is working. The way I show you, if it clicks, that means that your solenoid is working. If you have problems with the transmission and your car is not shifting right, replace those two, but check them first the way I show you. So I hope this episode is gonna help you guys. If you had questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.